In this episode, we scoured the internet and gathered the best Coca Cola hacks and pranks. Watch and learn. Let's roll. It's way too hot to be stuck in a stuffy classroom. I could really go for this Coke on the beach. The ocean breeze. Shoot! Looks like I'm going to the board instead of the ocean. Wait a second. That was my Coke! I thought he was my friend. Hey, has the heat completely melted your brain and turned the remains into lava? Well, I'll show you what a real eruption looks like. This prank requires some Mentos, cola, and some thread. Wrap it around the Mentos and stick it under the lid. Close that lid and we're on. Hey friend, want a sip? Really? Perfect. Holy moly! Most volcanoes can't top that kind of eruption. Want some more? So, you know how there's always that one friend who comes over and consumes everything in sight? Like Winnie the Pooh when he'd go over to Rabbit's house. Well, Jessica here is their long-lost buddy. When I was on the phone doing work stuff, someone must have gotten real thirsty, forgotten their manners, and drank all my soda. And then she just acted like nothing happened. What the? There was just a full bottle here. Fine, it's all good. I think I know just the thing for you. Pulling off this prank requires a bottle of Sprite, soy sauce, and an empty Coke bottle. The darker you can get it, the better. Didn't you know? Salty Coke makes the best present. Give it a shake, and we're good to go. There you go, girl. Enjoy. Always choose low sodium. I love doing something refreshing after working out. Come on, ladies. Put your stuff away and let's hit the showers. And make sure you don't skimp on that body wash. P.U.
Come on!
What's this? Did someone decide that working out wasn't enough and a prank was in order? I'm so excited! I can't wait to get home and relax for a bit. But where are my clothes? And shoes!
No!
It's like they say, shoes are where the heart is. Or whatever it is they actually say. What if I use 2 bottles?
Oh, yeah.
Pour out your Coke, save some for later, and cut out holes in the empty bottles large enough to fit. Jessica, don't hold your breath. There is no way I'm hand-walking. I've turned our Coke bottles into some spiffy footwear. And if I do this just right, I'll get where I'm going. Soon enough. Who knows? Maybe the things we make ourselves hold more value than anything we could ever buy. Plus, who am I to say no to a new pair of shoes? It's like they say, if you've got nothing to wear, make something to wear. Be creative and let your confidence shine through. Who knows? Maybe you'll even start a trend. Unexpected guests. 5 minutes ago, I had no idea I'd be hosting a party. And that I'd meet such a hottie.
Hello?
Hey there. Just look at those curls. They're so soft and fluffy, like clouds. Are they even real? Can I touch them? Wow, they're amazing. How does he do it? It's easy. Cola. Cola? Weird. How much do you have to drink to get your hair to curl? Hold your horses. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Go ahead and grab your Coke. Pour your Coke into a bowl. Dip in your unruly mane, then pour a second bottle over it. The hottie won't even finish a story, and you'll already be done. Squeeze out the excess, and mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all? Is that really me? Oh yeah. Now, a little makeup to complete my new wavy do. A dash of confidence. Let's see what we've got. Hey guys. Olivia, is that you? Yup. This is the real me. Hey there, hot stuff. Am I the third wheel now? Wait, I'm gonna go try this out. Don't go anywhere. Be back in a flash. And now, for some bloopers. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because there's a lot more where that came from. See ya!